Welcome to Snap, Confirmer's reporting and reconciliation tool. Transaction search. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly locate a transaction in Snap. You'll be able to see if the transaction has been reconciled or matched to a deployment. You have the option to view each transaction in detail. You'll be able to click through to any matched deployments or invoices. First, click the Transaction tab. Select a spend type and a card pool. Enter a date range within a 3-month period. Scroll down and click Search. Deployments matching your search criteria will be displayed and can be downloaded. You can view key information. For example, this transaction has been matched to a deployment. The invoice has not been reconciled. Select a transaction to view further information. You can see the transaction details. View matched deployments or invoices. To return, click the Transaction tab. Then View Transaction. You should now feel comfortable in the process for locating transactions by spend type, card pool, matched invoices, statement reference, and date range. You can find powerful data using a transaction ID, including the following: spend category, transaction date, last 4 card digits, narrative, invoice matching, reconciled amount, statement amount, authorization code, and more. We hope this video has given you all the information you need on the topic. If you do require any further information, please go to help.confirmer.com.